Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to watching the latest and trendy stone wall cladding design ideas for living rooms. If you are planning to give your home premium and elegant and long-lasting look, the stone wall cladding is one of the best choice. Whatever it's for living room, TV unit, exterior elevations and compound walls and garden walls and staircase or commercial building, stone claddings is instantly enhance the beauty and increase the property value. So now in today's video we're just going to watching the beautiful stone wall claddings for living rooms only. The first we know what is stone wall cladding. The stone wall cladding is decorative layer of natural or engineered stone installed over all the wall. It's provide the appearance of solid stone wall. It's while being to the lighter and more cost effective and easier to install. Stone cladding is suitable for both interiors and exterior walls. Now we know benefits of stone wall cladding. Premium and luxury appearance for your living rooms. Increase the property value. Highly durable and weather resistant. Low maintenance and heat resistant. Moisture resistant and eco-friendly natural options. Long lifespan of 30 to 50 years or more. Your living room is the heart of your house and one of the easiest way to make it look luxurious and modern. With the stone wall cladding, whatever you are designing TV unit wall or future wall or the main entrance of your living room, the stone cladding added to the natural beauty, texture and long-lasting durability. In today's video, we will discuss stone wall cladding is perfect for TV unit walls, ancient walls in your living rooms, fireplaces walls, entrance walls, staircase walls, and decorative niches. So the benefits of stone wall cladding, it's create premium and luxury appearance and easy to maintain, resistant to the scratches and wear, and available in many colors and finishes, suitable for modern and traditional and contemporary interiors. Different types of stone wall claddings are the slate stone cladding. The slate is one of the most popular choice for every living room because of its layered texture and elegant appearance. Best for TV unit wall, ancient wall, modern interiors. The price in India 180 rupees per square feet. Sandstone wall claddings. The sandstone offered to the warm, natural look like beach, brown and green. It's creating welcoming atmosphere. These are best for rustic homes, traditional interiors and future homes. The price will be 120 rupees per square feet. Marble stone cladding. The marble gives to the luxurious and timeless finish with beautiful natural patterns. These are best for luxury living rooms, hotel style interiors, premium future, premium future walls. The price will be 200 rupees per square feet. Granite stone cladding. The granite is highly durable and provide polish and elegant look. These are best for premium interiors, high traffic areas and decorative walls. The price will be 200 rupees per square feet. Quartzite stone cladding. The quartzite combination beauty with excellent strength and unique natural texture. These are best for contemporary living rooms. Future walls, the price will be 20 rupees per square feet. Limestone cladding. The limestone is create soft, minimal and elegant look. These are best for such thin interiors, modern and minimalistic homes. The price will be 150 rupees per square feet. Staggered stone cladding. This stone is piece and arranged for creating bold and three-dimensional textures. Best for TV backgrounds, fireplace walls, decorative panels. The price will be 250 rupees per square feet. And leadstone cladding. Leadstone provide natural and luxurious appearance with irregular stone shapes, best for luxury homes. Future walls, the price will be 300 rupees per square feet. Manufactured stone veneer. It's an engineered stone offered to the look of natural stone at the more affordable price. These advantages like lightweight, easy to install and budget friendly. The price will also low cost. This manufactured store veneer cost will be 120 rupees per square feet. The brick stone cladding. Brick cladding added to the industrial and rustic charm. Best for the modern loft interiors. It's cafe style living rooms. The price will be 80 rupees per square feet. And latest living room stone wall cladding trends. Floor to ceiling stone future walls, natural grey slate TV units, Y marbleation walls, mixed stone and wooden panel combinations, LED backlit stone walls, matte finish textures and stone designs, minimalistic beige limestone walls, and rustic sandstone with indoor plants. So, how to choose the right stone cladding? Choose the light colored stones for small living rooms to make the space feel happier and larger. Use two dark stones for spacious rooms and create bold and focal point. Match the stone color with for your flooring and furniture. Added warm LED lighting to the highlight the stone texture. Select the moisture resistant and adhesives and grouch for the long lasting performance. So advantages are elegant and premium appearance for these stone wall claddings, long lasting and durability, and low maintenance. They said the low maintenance we need to wash sometimes. Scratch resistant, added to the depth and texture, suitable for all interior types, increase the property value and home resale value. Labor charge will be 80 rupees per square feet. Total installation cost depending on the stone type, wall size, design complexity, city, areas, and finishing the materials. The brick stone claddings is 80 rupees per square feet. Sandstone is a 120 rupees per square feet. Manufactured stone veneer is a 120 rupees per square feet. And limestone is a 150 rupees per square feet. Slate 180 rupees per square feet. Granite 200 rupees per square feet. Quartz is 220 rupees per square feet. Stakewood stone 250 rupees per square feet. Marble 250 rupees per square feet. Ledge stone 300 rupees per square feet. Dust the stones surface regularly with a soft brush or cloth. Clean stains of using the mild soap solutions.